Welcome. This video will take you through the steps for a successful sample collection. Be sure to follow the steps correctly and in order. Start by opening the kit and placing everything in front of you. There will be an activation card, a specimen label, the lab can't process your sample without this, a biohazard specimen bag, a prepaid shipping envelope, and a foil bag containing your collection tube and swab. Open the foil bag and remove the collection tube. The swab is inside, and place them on the table. Don't touch the tip of the swab. You don't want to contaminate your sample. Here's how you collect a good sample. Start by carefully twisting open the collection tube to remove the swab. Avoid touching the tip with your fingers or other surfaces. You'll need to wet the swab first, so place it on your tongue for 10 seconds to moisten it. Next, firmly swab the inside of your right cheek using a back and forth brushing motion while rotating the swab 360 degrees. Continue to do this for 30 seconds. Once done, repeat the same process on the other side of your mouth. Carefully, without touching any other surfaces or putting it down, return the swab to the tube and close the lid tightly. Now, here's the most important part. Please don't forget to apply the patient identifier sticker to the tube lengthwise. Do not wrap it around the tube, and then insert it into the biohazard specimen bag. Put the specimen bag and the activation card into the prepaid shipping envelope. Seal it and drop it off at the provider listed on the label within 24 to 48 hours of collection. Congrats! You've taken your first step towards fixing the root cause of your hair loss.